Today's video will be focused on PPP subscriptions. This is a section of the app that enhances your system's capabilities with various features to choose from, designed to lend you more control and insight over your system. These are paid-for subscriptions, separate from the default features available in the app. It is recommended that you read more about each subscription outside of this video to make an informed decision. Without any subscriptions, you will see the available subscriptions section. At the time of this video, on-grid customers will have access to the energy trading and the Optimum program, but there will be additional exciting subscriptions added in the future. The cards that display the available subscriptions provide a summary of the product, key features, and the pricing for each subscription length. Energy trading is a subscription that allows you to take advantage of our trading algorithm to maximize on export earnings, improving your financial outcome. This subscription requires a wholesale electricity plan, but we provide a setup to get that sorted. The Optimum program is a quarterly report that provides system insights and recommendations. This is completely personalized to your system, and every report is completed by an electricity data analyst. Once a subscription has been purchased, it will appear above in a section called Active Subscriptions. This is simply to track what is currently active for your system. But subscription controls and information can be found in the PPP controls section of the app, which we will explore later. If you have any questions regarding subscriptions, what we have planned, or any feedback, please contact us at support@redearth.energy. We are excited for the opportunities we have planned for subscriptions, and we urge you to watch this space for more.